Pavo Femto has a wheelbase of 75 millimeters. It is rocking the Lava 1102 brushless motors. It comes with a total of 8 Gem Fan 1611 3-blade propellers. The Pavo Femto is rocking the DJI 04 VTX. You can also order this drone as a P&P for repair and play. The Pavo Femto has the F4 2-3S 20 amp all-in-one flight controller with onboard serial ELRS 2.4 GHz. The advertised flight time is 5 minutes and 15 seconds when paired with the recommended battery, the Lava 2S 450 mAh battery. The Pavo Femto weighs in right at 56 grams with the VTX and no battery. And with the battery, the Pavo Femto weighs in at an even 80 grams. So here's just a quick test flight of the Pavo Femto. This thing is an absolute blast to fly. It's just heavy enough to not get pushed around in the wind, and it's also still light enough that you can fly it indoors confidently. You don't have to worry about injuring anybody with this. It's a great all-around drone. If you look closely, you can see a little bit of jello going on with the 04 light. This is a known issue with these, and supposedly you just gotta adjust the motor frequencies and it'll resolve this issue. So quick flyby myself, there I am. Yeah, guys, another really cheap but yet fun drone. You can take this thing anywhere. It almost fits in your pocket, fits in your palm. I love doing my Whoop Wednesdays with it. And those motors have some punch to them, so it's definitely fun to fly. Very, very quiet. I wish I had audio here. I don't, but it is a very quiet quad. I love it. Absolutely in love with it. Anyways, I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of this footage. There's not very much here. It was very cold, hence why I'm flying inside. But I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.